Darwin AI has entered the market. Oh no, will Darwin AI eat up my job? Oh no, is software engineering job going to go away completely? Trust me guys, this video is not about Darwin AI. Darwin AI is, I would just say that it's about the future. It's not something just going to come in next 2 years or 3 years. It's going to take time for it to be implemented. But the current problem more than that is about the recession in our job market of software engineering. So there has been recession currently, and that recession has also hit the software engineering market. And due to this, there has been a crunch in job. So during this crunch phase, like there as how can we get recruiters, or how can we get more people come to our LinkedIn, or just get impressed by our resume, is doing something out of the box as a web developer or a JavaScript developer. So to do something out of the box or to do something extraordinary, I came out with a tutorial for you guys where I teach step by step like how to create this beautiful 3D website. So I will be thinking like, what is the advantages of creating a 3D website? The advantage of creating a 3D website is that, like for example, in now when you see in Amazon, when you book through Amazon, you get an option of AR, like seeing an object in AR. So this object what you're seeing is created in 3D, and I bet you it's created by using the library what you're going to learn right now. The library name is 3.js. So yes, it's a JavaScript library and it is super easy. It is not as complicated. If you have heard about it, what people say, it's quite easy. And in this entire tutorial series, I will be teaching you the basics of 3JS by creating this snowman scene, where you can see it is created just by using primitive geometries. There are like this snow Christmas tree balls, where you can see it is shining because it is made of different material compared to the snow, which is made of different material. The snow, as like there are, you can see it's like it's going up down up down. So there is like it's not a flat surface, so you learn how to create these trenches as well. And also you can see there are lights moving around here. There are the three different colors of light, so this is creating a bit of a spooky experience. So you will learn about this as well. So all this we'll be learning by coding along and doing things like side by side and by making our hands dirty. So if you guys are interested, please comment down and please like this video so that it reaches more software engineers, so that they can learn something out of the box and something little different to impress and to get a good eye paying job. So thank you and looking forward.